Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check a battery level for your headphones Logitech G933. So we cannot use the Bluetooth because there is no battery percentages in the Bluetooth. We have only dongle in the Bluetooth settings. So right here, as you can see, we have it, and we need to use the application to check it. You need to open Logitech G Hub app. Of course, you need to add your headset to the application, and then you will see your headphones at the device list, and this one is the first option to check it. Right here we have battery percentages. Also, you can click on them, then go to device settings at the left bottom, and check it also right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!